Which among the following sentence is incorrect? Answer C. Balban complete the construction of Qutub Minar. Who among the following succeeded Ruknuddin Firoz? Answer B. Razia. The city of Azimabad, which was abandoned since 7th century AD, was revived by Sher Shah Suri, and thus he found the modern. Answer B. Patna. For which of the following Sher Shah Suri is not known? Answer C. Introduction the system of irrigation by canals. Who among the following Mughal rulers took measure against the practice of sati? Answer B. Akbar. Who among the following was the last ruler of slave dynasty? Answer B. Kikbad. How many years Humayun spent in exile after he lost his kingdom in Hindustan? Answer B. 12 years. Who among the following conspired against Ibrahim Lodi and invited Babur to invade Delhi? Answer B. Daulat Khan Lodi. Which among the following rulers is related to market regulatory measures in medieval India? Answer A. Alauddin Khilji. Who among the following built the Mosque Qul-ul-Islam at Delhi? Answer C. Qutbuddin Aibak. Which of the following Sultanate rulers made Delhi as capital in place of Lahore? Answer B. Iltutmish. Which of the following Mughal emperor is famous for his golden chain of justice? Answer C. Jahangir. Loom was a central technological innovation in which of the following era? Answer A. Sultanate era. Who among the following wrote Ashtang Asangraha? Answer B. Vagabhatta. Which among the following rulers belonged to Mamluk dynasty? Answer C. Balban. Chandradeva was the founder of which of the following dynasty? Answer B. Gahadwalas. Who among the following was defeated by Muhammad Ghori in Battle of Chandawar? Answer C. J. Chandra. Who among the following founded the Principality of Ghazni in AD 1962? Answer C. Altigam. The Chandalus kingdom was annexed by which of the following rulers? Answer D. Alauddin Khilji. Which among the following was not a landmark of the Iltutmish rule? Answer D. Putting forward the divine right theory. Who among the following was known as Lakha Baksh? Answer B. Qutbuddin Aibak. Sikambhari near Ajmer is a place related to emergence of which of the following dynasties? Answer D. Chauhanas. Who among the following was considered as the mixture of opposites? Answer B. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Reela was a work of which of the following? Answer B. Ibn Battuta. Which among the following is not a work of Amir Khusrai? Answer D. Tabqat-i-Naisiri. Who among the following assumed the title of Islam Shah Suri? Answer B. Jalal Khan. That part of land granted by the Sultan to military chiefs for maintenance of a given number of troopers called. Answer B. Iqta. In the region of Firuz Shah Tughlaq, which of the following tax was one-sixth of the booty captured during war? Answer B. Kams. Karkota dynasty was confined to which of the following areas? Answer B. Kashmir. Who invaded India in 1398 AD during the reign of Nasruddin Mahmud of Tughlaq dynasty? Answer C. Timur. Who among the following changed the name of Tana Mishra to Tansen? Answer B. Raja Vikramjit of Gwalior. Tower of Victory or Vijay Stamp in Rajasthan is located in. Answer B. Chittorgarh. The word Coromandel coast has been derived from the kingdom of which of the following? Answer B. Cholas. Which among the following is not correct? Answer D. All are correct. Which among the following represents incorrect founder of a dynasty? Answer C. Kalachuri dynasty, Gangaya Dev. After the attack of Mahmud of Ghaznavi, who among the following reconstructed the Somnath temple? Answer B. Bhima Dev. Out of the battles fought between contemporary rulers and Babur, which among the following resulted in the firm establishment of Babur's rule in North India? Answer B. Battle of Kanwa. Which among the following is incorrect regarding Buland Darwaja? Answer D. All are correct. Which among the following was called as the central pillar of the administrative system of the Delhi Sultanate? Answer B. Iqta system. During whose region Genghis Khan invaded India? Answer B. Iltutmish. Which of the following Mughal empires was famous as Shah-i-Beg Khabar? Answer D. Bahadur Shah first. Which of the following Mughal empire was known as Prince Khurram? Answer C. Shah Jahan. Which of the following sultans is known to have laid the foundation of Agra city? Answer B. Sikandar Lodi. For which of the following purpose Alauddin Khilji created Diwan-e-Riyasat? Answer D. Market control. Who among the following introduced Qabiliyat and Fattah? Answer A. Sher Shah. In which year Akbar's reign ended? Answer B. 1605. Which of the following Mughal empire shifted his imperial court and residence from Agra to Sikri, later renamed as Fatehpur Sikri? Answer A. Akbar. Which among the following was prevalent in India's society before the Muslim conquest? Answer D. Slavery. Bagh-e-Babar, where Babar is buried, is located at? Answer D. Kabul. Which among the following Mughal empire was also known as Ali Gohar? Answer B. Shah Alam II.